Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I thought I would record like a little kind of get ready with me type situation. I have been stressed, friends. Normally I've been uploading 2 videos a week, and although it's a lot of work, I've really been enjoying that format and engagement, and having like one day dedicated just makeup and then another day dedicated to like whatever else I want to do. But I've been like stressed out this week because of like pretty obvious reasons. So I didn't record a second video this week. So this is going to be my makeup video for this week. And it's going to be like a little get ready with me sesh, slash kind of a tutorial, I guess, on like how to do a fall themed smoky eye. I've gotten lots of like requests from my friends, like in my personal life, about like how do I do this eye look that I do sometimes. So I figured it's super easy, super fast. I might as well do it for you guys here. So if you're interested to see that, just keep on watching. Also, pardon the hair and the face and the body and the aura and the manifestation, or what else the kids say. I've been having like so many bodily problems this week. It's not even fair. Like, I know we don't know each other like that, but my body has just been rejecting reality altogether. I don't know. I really don't like talk about politics too much on this channel, really, just because like I kind of want this to be my escape as well as yours, but like I gotta bring some stuff up, you know, like I'm just anxious and just overall really tired. I'm pretty young. It's shocking to some people, but I am pretty young. And I'm only remember really like a couple of elections in my lifetime. Like I was too little to really remember the Bushes at all, but I remember like Obama and everything like that. And in my like limited knowledge, like I just don't think we've ever had an election process this stressful. Especially when it comes to first of all, the counting is just taking forever. Like, thank God for all the memes I've seen people share, because they are giving me life and reviving my spirit. But yeah, other than that, I've never seen like such a controversial election, or one that's as stressful, like, to me. And I'm not downplaying like other social justice issues in the past. I'm sure that was just as stressful, but like I don't know, I just feel like I've never seen the fact of like whether or not you count votes being controversial. Like, that is just a strange concept to me, because like for me, counting votes is like the most democratic thing you can do, because you know, but like I don't know, all these people protesting about whether or not you should count ballots is just like an episode of the Twilight Zones for me, especially in like a US or like a place that's like, woo, freedom, democracy, power to the people, yay. Like, this is kind of redonkulous. ASMR. Can you hear that? Get ready for it. But yeah, what else? What did you do during election night? Comment down below. Do you care? Do you not care? Tell me why. I basically had a Zoom call with my friends for the first time in literally forever, and we all just kind of like drank and had a watch party, which was pretty fun. A lot of my friends and I are very heavily involved in politics, like just like peeling back the curtain and talking about like my own personal life. I mean, I went to graduate school for a very political degree, so you just find like-minded people, you know, that's how it works. So obviously we had very, very strong opinions about what's going on, but even though we study like international politics and stuff, like even we kind of get burned out of it. You know, it's like a really healthy reaction, I think, if you're somebody who's like really invested and that it's easy to get burned out, especially when there's like so many horrible things happening in the world every day. So that watch party quickly turned into just like an Among Us play section, which has been like super fun. Let me know if you would like a video of me playing Among Us on the channel, because I think that'd be super fun. Girl, I cannot blend for the life of me today. I hope this look turns out well. So I think I just got like all of it on my temple. Do you guys want me to talk more about Among Us? I'm sorry, I'm like currently obsessed. So I've been watching other like really big YouTubers play Among Us. And I find it like absolutely hilarious, but I never played it myself. I know my sister plays a lot, but she literally just goes around and trolls. Because that's my sister. But I never played it until I Skyped my friends on election night, and they were the ones that like were actually like, Cassie, just download it and play. It's a lot of fun. And they were so competitive. I was like, guys, they kept like killing me and basically ratting me out and making me the scapegoat, and they knew damn well I had no idea what I was doing, and I was like, wow, thanks. But it was so much fun. Like, I loved just like hearing their voices and Skyping them and then playing together. It was so nice. And I've been playing every time I feel like really stressed out. I've been playing Among Us, and like it's just such a release for me. It's not like okay, let me just clarify one thing. It's a release because it's like a distraction, and I can just chat and like talk to people and just kind of like be silly for a little bit, which is really nice. I'm not very good at being like the actual imposter at all. Like, if you watch James Charles play, that's pretty much me. But like when I'm an imposter, I always get kicked out right away. There's only one time I won, and it was pretty much thanks to like my partner. But I really enjoy playing. I'm normally a crewmate, and literally all I do is do tasks. Like, I don't follow people around. I'm not really invested too much on like catching the actual person, even though that's like the point. Literally, all I do is just focus on tasks, and that's like so mind-numbing to me that I really, really enjoy it. I know this like sounds weird, but like again, like I think Markiplier does that too, where he's just kind of like tasks. But yeah, I'm not super serious about it, and like you can really tell when I chat with people, because I don't troll, but I definitely say silly things. But it's okay, because I feel like that lightens the mood, or at least I think so. I'm probably annoying, but that's just how I feel. In case you don't know, I'm just taking like an orange eyeshadow and using it as blush, because I'm not going out to the store to buy blush. Speaking of orange, that's also my favorite color to play when I am an imposter. I like being orange, and the reason I like being the orange one is because A, I can stand out and I always know who I am, so yes. But B, it's also because like I always use the username chicken. So if you play with the chicken, you're probably playing with me. Hi. And I have an egg on my head, and the orange color matches the yolk the best. So we're all color coordinated. So now I'm going to teach you the easiest Smoky Eye to do in the whole world. And I mean it. This will literally take you 2 seconds. I get compliments on it whenever I do wear this eye makeup. So here you go. Oh my god, I look like a chicken. Oh Jesus. But yeah, so I'm just going to take this brush. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little wonky, please mind that. If it affects the application, I'll use another brush that's similar to this. But basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go into the darkest color I have in this palette. It's really warm, and I'm going to go into Cookie Call. It's like a dark brown shade, and I'm literally just going to put that all over my lid here and blend that up. See how dramatic I look already? It's like magic. So you can take this up pretty high. Like, I'm not going to go all the way up. I think this is a good length. And then I'm just going to smudge the same thing along the bottom. You don't necessarily need to pack more pigment in. I just kind of use what's ever left over and bring it down. It's okay to be sloppy with this too. Don't feel like you need to be like too precise. Okay, so see how that is still a little sloppy and patchy? Like, all we basically want to do is like place color. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye. So now here's an even easier part for you guys. So basically, I'm just going to take a brush. Oh, hang on. Let me put the mirror down first. Okay, so I'm going to take a brush that looks like this, right? Pretty fluffy, just for blending. And I'm going to actually use the same color I put on my cheeks, that orange color. This is my secret trick for somebody with like a complexion like mine. You would think that you wanted to use other browns to blend out, or like really light colors or skin colors to blend it out. No, use orange. Orange is like a secret little tool to blend stuff out. So I just kind of dip that in the orange. And I just kind of go around the borders like that and just kind of blend it. You see? See how that blends out a little bit? Makes it a little bit more natural looking. You can always go back in and like put more, like if you don't want it to be this blended out, if you want it to look darker, you can always go back in with the same brush you did before and just put more of that color on and go over it, which I will do now. And just kind of pat it on there. Okay, and after we do that, of course we still blend. And this is a process. Like, this is what people don't understand about eyeshadows, is like you might have to go over things a couple of times to find the right balance, but once you do, you're good. And again, this is like a smoky eye, so it doesn't even have to be that precise. I just tend to be kind of picky when it comes to like what color I want, but I think this looks good. And then when I blend, I'm just using the same brush I did for the oranges, and I didn't even dip into an orange this time. I'm literally just going over the edges and smoothing them out. Now I'm just gonna take some mascara and do my eyelashes. There's some more ASMR to soothe you. Did you guys ever listen to ASMR? Like, not like now, but like, remember back when it was like a really big trend? I have to admit, I listened to them all the time. I think it was popular like 2 years ago or something on YouTube. Like, everybody was making ASMR videos. And I would listen to them before bed. I didn't listen to them with headphones on though, because like it was too intense for me. But like just hearing the whispers was fine. I never really fully committed to like the whole ASMR lifestyle. Okay, so lashes are totally done. You can even put eyeliner on if you want to, but I typically don't with this because the whole point of it is to be like really quick and easy and just smoky and kind of wild. So I don't. But you totally can if you want to. If you want to make a wing out of this, you can. I just kind of like the easy pumpkin vibes it gives me, so I stick with this. Plus, I'm gonna do like a dark lip, so I just am like, you know what? Let's let the lips do the work. Give the eyes a break. Now I'm just gonna put on some highlighter like I normally do, and I'll put on lip, and then we're done. Can you guys believe it's already in November? I mean, like, okay. Let's just say, like, thank God, but also, wow. I feel like this year has been so stressful, but also I have a warped sense of time because we've been indoors so much that, like, it feels like it's taking forever, but also going by super fast. Does that make sense to anybody? Like, I never leave my home. Like, I get my groceries delivered, period. I haven't left my studio apartment in what seems like forever. So my whole concept of reality is flawed. Okay, I'm taking this brush. Can you see it? It's just a little detail brush. And I'm doing it in the eye sockets because it's my favorite part. Wow. Wow. You don't have to do this if you want to keep it super smoky. You could just leave the eyes as is, but I kind of like going in and making it a little shiny. Like, my whole face is shiny right now. Don't worry, I'll blend it better, I promise. But I just put a little bit here too. So I'm gonna like use my beauty blender, I think. Try to calm this down. Okay, let me spray my skin down a little bit and then do the beauty blender. Like, just a little bit. And again, I know you're supposed to save setting spray. Jesus. I know you're supposed to save setting spray to like the very end. But I feel like it helps blend things out a little bit. Like, I don't want to use water. I want it to stay. But like in this case, when I put like a ton of highlighter on and I want it to blend a little bit better in the skin, I use a little bit of setting spray in between. I feel like it helps. Okay, so now for the lip. I think this, like my friends ask me all the time what kind of lipstick I use for this specific lip, and literally it's drugstore shit. So this is Milani. It is a brand you can find at any CVS, and I promise you they have the best lipsticks that, even compared to like more expensive lipsticks I've owned, I love this brand. I think the colors they have are really unique and cool, and it's so much value for the price you pay. Like, it's ridiculous. So I love Milani lipsticks. This is the color matte. Oh, it's matte and it's 70 and it's called Fearless. And it's like a plummy, vampy color. You see how beautiful that is even by itself? I love this color on me. I don't wear it outside of like fall time because I'm not that kind of person, but I really feel like it looks really good with my skin tone and stuff. So this is the final step I use. I really shouldn't be showing y'all this because this is so old. It is so embarrassingly old. I shouldn't be putting this on my lips, but I do. So this is just like a lip tint, and it's in the same plum color, and it's just a lip gloss. And what I do, don't use too much because it will take the tint off. It will take the lipstick off. But I just glob it in the middle of my lip and kind of just like talk. You see what it did? Yeah, there's lipstick on there. So we'll transfer, but wow. I don't know if I should keep that in or edit that out. Ugh. Girl, I had to brush my whole teeth. Okay, I don't think I'll ever get all the lipstick off my teeth. Hang on, let me do the finger thing. Okay, queen. Yeah, so be careful. There will be transfer. This is really easy to get lipstick on your teeth and it will show. But yeah, this is like my Vampy fall time look. Like, I feel like it looks extra goth because of my hair color. I promise I don't mean it to be that way. I like how the platinum blonde looks with this a lot. And my roots are showing, which makes me look even edgier. I'm so edgy. Clearly. But yeah. Let me know what you think down below. Is this easy? Is it hard? Is it difficult? Do I look different with all the dark colors on instead of all the crazy colors? Who knows? But yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, you should probably subscribe or check out some of my other videos because I have a ton of makeup videos that you can just binge watch. It'll be great. It'll be a great time. I just finished all my Halloween makeups for last month, so if you want to check them out, you can do that too if you're a spooky fan like me. But until then, show your support by liking the video, commenting down below, sharing with a friend, and subscribing to the channel. Please, 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 please subscribe to the channel. It would mean so much to me. And it'll be a great chance for you to join a fun, small little community on YouTube. So why not? Win-win, you know what I'm saying? But until next time, thanks. Bye.